So we used to hand cut all of our wax tablets using a hand router, still power tools. Historically, these would have been cut out of much softer fruit woods and things like that. There's some evidence of some much harder woods. Here I'm actually telling you what's happening and how the CNC works, but there's actually no way you can hear me because the CNC is so loud, and actually my earbuds with the microphone is on underneath those hearing protectors. It is so loud with the vacuum collection system and the CNC actually happening. So I am additionally a maker teacher and a chemistry teacher at my day job, and so that's one of the reasons why I have access to this equipment. Speeds things up a bit.